Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join the Bitfinex affiliate program. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store. Go to Google and type in bitfinex.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bitfinex if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top, we have, as you can see, the traders, lenders, we have the about, the more, sign out option, return to platform, and in the middle of the screen, we have the start trading button. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and join Bitfinex affiliate program. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, open a new link and type in this link and click enter. You'll get to this one. So bitfinex.com/affiliate/ as you can see, we have some other things there. So join the Bitfinex affiliate program. So here, as you can see, Bitfinex affiliate program is in a nutshell, so you can experience a new way of growing your earnings in crypto. So you have some more info here. So 38% fees you can earn, 1.x up to 3 levels of connection. So why become a Bitfinex affiliate? You can check out that also. Fees that you can earn, multipliers and everything. How it works, everything is written, guys, here in one place. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.